Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position with another easy looking position, but it's actually very hard to get this puzzle right. So it's kind of very hard, but at the same time it's kind of simple, right? So once you just grab the idea, it's going to be very easy for you. So this pawn is going forward in this direction to be a queen, and we have a queen against this poor enemy king. Our king is totally safe, and we can promote now. It's our turn, but that is going to be a critical decision because that decided the game. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. So welcome back, guys. So first, let me clarify why this position is hard. You may just probably promote to a queen. This makes you end up with two queens, meaning you are completely winning, right? You are going to trade one of the queen and you are going to deliver checkmate with the remaining. But here is a catch. Now, if you look at black's position, black is completely crisscrossed by the queen and the black king can't move, meaning this is going to be just a draw. Look at the queen. If we just capture the queen, it's going to be a draw because of stalemate. What else can we do? We can retreat this direction, but who cares? The queen will just give us check. We can retreat this direction, but the queen will just give us checks, and eventually it's going to be forced to capture the queen, and that is going to be the end of the game, right? We can't go to this direction, that doesn't matter, it's a queen, right? We can't skip these brilliant checks, and we are going to we are forced to capture the queen. The queen will just follow us everywhere, and that is going to be a draw. For that reason, we can't promote to a queen. We can't promote to a rook even, right? The same thing would just happen, right? This is, everything is just crisscrossed and the king can't move, right? This is just a stalemate, a draw. Black can't move. So for that reason, we can't promote to a queen, we can't promote to a rook, and if we just promote to a bishop, black would just play queen to g6. We have to trade queens, and with only a bishop, it's impossible to deliver a checkmate against a long king, right? So that is the idea, and we end up with only one choice, one remaining attempt, that is knight. We promote to a knight. So when we promote to a knight, it comes with check, that has its own advantage. So black now in this position has got only one move to play to. You may probably know this. A knight and a queen can cooperate very effectively other than any piece, because the knight attacks what the queen don't. So that is their cooperation, and they are best coordinators when we have them. So this makes the process easier, and black would just play the only legal move, king to g8. So we play knight to e6. This puts in a threat for black. Black is in a big threat, and black has to respond efficiently to not get checkmated on the next move, meaning black has to play queen to f7. Let me show you what would happen if black decided to play any other move. First, we are threatening checkmate on g7 directly, meaning black has to defend that and the only way to defend that is this move, but this comes with checkmate on f8, right? So for that reason, black can't make these kinds of moves, right? We are going to just checkmate the black king. So what I mean by this is black has to play queen to f7, and now we play the stunning queen to d8. So now in this position, the queen can't block this. Actually, it's going to be just checkmate in a few moves, and obviously we are going to capture the queen directly, so the king must move. But if you notice, the king has only got one legal move, and that is king to h7, and we are going to just fork the queen and the king this way. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So guys, for a recap, first we are going to promote to a knight, give a check. Black has only got one move, and that is king to d8, and we play knight to e6, threatening checkmate on g7. The only way to effectively defend that is to play queen to f7, and this is going to be just a fork, and soon we are going to win the game with the knight, with the queen, with the queen and the help of the king. So this is the solution of the puzzle. If you found this video entertaining, make sure to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to see similar chess puzzle videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.